Hi, I'm really sorry to have to do this, but my husband shared a virus with me and now I am sick. So I am not going to make class tonight. So I wanted to just give you a little bit of a preview of some of the things I would have done besides the actual course content stuff tonight. First thing is our Blackboard page. I want you to make sure that you utilize this regularly because it does have announcements here. I use weekly announcements to kind of keep us on track. In addition to the syllabus, it's just another way of reminding us what's coming up and what we have to do work on right now. In Blackboard, you'll find faculty information on ways to contact me, some information about the orientation. Number of you have already completed that. That's excellent. The rest of you, that deadline is tomorrow night. So make sure you go in here and click on the orientation folder and complete those steps. It includes steps in Blackboard as well as My Math Lab. You will find the My Math Lab course ID in there as well. There are just some other general information things on here, so please take a look at your convenience. Then we have the syllabus, which is part of your online orientation to read through that. If you do find you have any questions about policies or procedures, please don't hesitate to ask me. And then I put together just a little video on how you can tackle online algebra. It really just some basic study skill things. If you've not used the graphing calculators before, I have some videos there to kind of help you with that. Also some handouts. Course content is going to be a major link for you in this class. So we've got our outcomes. We also have folders for each of our chapters. And when you click on those chapter folders, it breaks it down into each section with objectives included. And then that's where you're going to find your videos and notes for the class. This is the part I'm expecting you to do outside of class so that you're prepared for us to just work on questions and some of the more challenging concepts. But if you watch these videos, it's pretty much like coming to class if you were in my on-campus class. And then, let's see, we have the class recording. Since this is a hybrid class, my goal is to be able to record our sessions and then post them later that evening in case you missed something or you got to class late because of traffic or anything. You will be able to get the full value of the session. The assignments are where you're going to be submitting your test work if you want feedback and partial credit, and as well as your orientation, obviously, up there. And then the next thing, lost my link, is this thinking storm. This is a pilot for us this year, so I put together a little video to give you more about it, but it's 24/7 online tutoring resource. So please check that out and take advantage of that. That's pretty much it as far as Blackboard goes. In my math lab, we're going to have our course page here. This is where we're going to be doing our homework and our testing. So you're going to be real familiar with this in a couple weeks. Hopefully the orientation, for those of you who are new to it, will give you enough of exposure to it. But if you do have questions, again, please don't hesitate to contact me. All right, so the first thing in here you're going to be working on, my homework, if it comes up, there it is, that orientation assignment. So since we're not having class tonight, if you haven't done that, go through all of those steps. Again, you find it in Blackboard, all of them, orientation info, online orientation, and it lists all your steps. Get that done. If you're done with that, then please continue working. Watch the videos for sections 1.2, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, so you can get your homework done for next week. Email me questions. I'm very responsive on email. So hope to see you next week. Thanks.